So the motor's beeping. It says max collisions, which means the gates got jammed somehow. And these rollers aren't spinning that good. They need a bit of lubrication. They're a tiny bit worn on one edge because those bolts, nothing too major. It was getting jammed between the gate and the motor. I'm not sure whether the ground has moved or the motor's pushed forward a fraction because the bolts need to be tightened up. It does seem quite firm, so I'm pointing more to ground movement or just general gate movement. It is quite a large gate, so I'll just make sure these bolts on the ground are extra tight. And I've moved the gate back just a fraction, so it clears quite nicely now. Now these buttons here on the control panel, they're quite stiff. It looks like there's a bit of sand in there. I thought it might be ants getting into the gate motor, but the tenant said they do blow a vac. They use the leaf blower around, which may have blown some sand up into there. But it has got right into the control board. I've just pulled it apart and cleaned it up. So yeah, I'm not sure where the ants are getting in there, because it does seem quite an even coverage that looks like it's been spread around by ants. It's pretty common with gate motors sometimes in some areas. Good idea to give it a spray with some surface spray. We'll clean all those cobwebs out and stuff as well. So there's definitely insects, maybe spiders and ants getting in there, I reckon. But I'll clean that up and put a bit of a coating on there as well. So I'll just give it a brush off and it come up quite good, so nothing too major. No moisture's got in there, which is good, so it might just be the leaf blower, I'm not sure. But yeah, I'll put some of this silicone spray protectant on there. It's especially for electrical components, for damp, protects it from moisture. So I'll give that a bit of a spray and that'll dry and leave a nice protective coating and hopefully deter any insects getting there as well. They don't really like this stuff, so. All right, we'll put it back together and we'll spray some of this 6-month surface spray around there as well. And I've just recommended to the tenant to do that as well. So these buttons are nice and free now. They're pushing quite easy. So just setting up the gate motor. And it seems quite happy. The gate is open. Yes, it's open. All right, so all set up. Everything seems happy. Gate motor's happy. I've also reduced the speed from the maximum 24 down to 18. So it's just smoothed that gate running out a bit as well. Still quite fast. That'll also prevent any sudden stops, just in case the tenant stops the gate halfway. It doesn't have that sudden jerk. So when you push the button, it doesn't just have that immediate stop, which may shift the gate motor a bit because it's quite a heavy gate. So that should make stuff last a lot longer as well. And if it does tend to close on someone's car, it won't hit it very hard. All right, so all fixed, all cleaned up, nice and shiny again. We'll put that cover back on and lock it up. All fixed. So yeah, just a bit of a major service. Adjust everything. Seems to be running quite well now. That join in the middle of the gate doesn't seem to be bothering it too much, especially now it's just reduced the speed a bit. And the rollers have been oiled. So yeah, those wheels at the bottom of the gate, they normally last forever. They're pretty heavy duty. And just keep those top rollers oiled every couple of years as well. I've asked the tenant to WD-40 them every maybe 6 months when they spray the ant spray around the motor too. But yeah, all good.
I'm that roller door bloke. Thanks for watching.